Fabulous.
Amazing. Excellent. Excellent service.
It is fantastic. For me, it's fantastic.
A great event, a success, an event to be in.
Excellent. Phenomenal.
DELHIWOOD has been spectacular this year. It's been superb.
Efficiency, benefits, good.
Fantastic. Fantastic. Excellent.
Great work, and excellent place for, for the work, for the industry.
It's a place you need to be because here you can educate and get educated.
It's been amazing. It's been absolutely awesome.
DELHIWOOD is an opportunity.
DELHIWOOD is setting up standards for itself, and this DELHIWOOD has beaten all the previous records of being one of the best DELHIWOOD so far in all these years.
All that I can say is that every edition of DELHIWOOD has been progressively becoming better. And by and large, what we see is that compared to 2019, this is miles ahead. We're quite happy with what is happening here in DELHIWOOD, and quite impressed by the fact that you have been able to get huge crowds coming in. And in fact, I think this is the best edition of India of DELHIWOOD which I have seen. And in fact, is comparable to that of INDIAWOOD and is perhaps even better. I should only compliment the organizers and Nuremberg Messe for doing a wonderful job.